So the third step, after acknowledging there's a benefactor, a supreme power, and the second step, but that supreme power, definitely there cannot be any other power worthy of our attention, our subordination, and thirdly, that if there is a power, there is a law, then you and I should be willing, grateful, prepared to submit and acclimate ourselves to it. Those three statements is the same statement that we as Muslims say when we say La ilaha illallah. La, there is no one other than Ilaha, no other God, no other supreme power, no benefactor illallah except the Creator, who is the one who has given all the power, and we human beings are obligated to that power, to surrender and to worship and to obey and to acknowledge. Muslims say La ilaha illallah. If you want to accept Islam right now, you can come forward. Who's the young lady?